Globally, airlines contribute 2 to 4% of the carbon emissions into the atmosphere every year. We understand that we need to do our best to try and reduce that as much as possible. Obviously, we still need to get our customers from A to B and doing it in a very sustainable manner. As a responsible business, we have signed up to the industry standard of carbon neutral growth by 2020. IATA, the International Air Transport Association, they came down last year and audited Air New Zealand specifically for its sustainability, and they found that we are actually doing our job really well. There are a few areas where we could improve, and one of those areas is around the auxiliary power unit.
It's used to supply electrical power and air conditioning to the aircraft when the main engines aren't running. Normally the APU will be running for the whole time that the aircraft's on the ground. We've just introduced a procedure in Auckland here where once the aircraft parks at the gate and the engines are shut down, ground power is plugged into the aircraft and we're able to turn the APU off 5 minutes after we land.
Morning ground, a beautiful day you've turned on here for us. Go ahead.
Good morning to you too. Your aircraft is secured, chocks are in place, ground power available, and air bridge is on its way.
Thanks, ground.
Thank you, and you have a great day.
Once the APU is off, we stop burning our fossil fuels. In August, we've saved on the Boeing 777 alone 106,000 kilograms of fuel that could fly one Boeing 777 from Auckland to Los Angeles. When we combine that with the Boeing 787s, we're looking at around about 475,000 kilograms of CO2 emissions, which we have not put into the atmosphere. That's almost 3 Boeing 777s in weight.
If you then project that over the whole airline and for a whole year, that's a massive saving.
One of the issues we faced a couple of years ago, there just wasn't a universal understanding as to what we're trying to achieve, and there was no feedback to the teams to show them that we're actually achieving our goals. So now we've improved on that to the point where every week we feed back into the teams. They can see just how well they're doing. They've really taken it to heart, and they know it's for the better good. We need to continue along this journey. We need to continue to collaborate and bring our teams together as we work through an aircraft landing to cleaning to the engineers working through it. Christchurch Airport has just picked up 3 of its gates and electrified them, and we are soon to begin the initiative at Wellington as well.
We've got a responsibility as individuals to pass the earth on to the next generation in good shape. So I'm a real supporter of the changes that we're making at Air New Zealand, and I'm convinced that they're going to make a big difference.